Drivin Ivan here with a 1962 Ford Econoline. But wait, it's not a Ford Econoline, is it? It's actually a Dorf. Maybe someone's dyslexic or something. It's okay. I think it's cool. No offense intended, of course. But cool wheels. Not sure where are the wheels from.
Oh, I don't know.
But cool mags that are, look, maybe not period correct, but maybe from the 70s or so. They look almost period correct, like someone would have modified it. Definitely a modified interior. Used to be a stick shift, and now it's, how many? 3-speed automatic?
Yeah.
3-speed automatic.
Yeah, 3-speed.
Cool custom wood sort of thing here. You got a lot of wood going on back here. It's all wood in there, basically. It does not have the, it's back to points and that sort of thing. And it's a very simplistic design, of course. Got the cool custom pedals there, so you know where your feet go, though, right? And, of course, the engine's down in here. 6-cylinder engine. Probably can't really get out of its own way, but still.
I had it up to 70.
Not about that. Okay, it does 70 miles an hour. I'm at a used car dealership down here in Florida, and it's this one is kind of in love with this car, I must say. It's pretty cool. And 62 Ford Econoline. I'm going to go to the back now, so you can see it from the back. And wow, this is. What year Cadillac lights are these?
59 Cadillac.
59 Cadillac lights. So that's pretty cool. And look, it says Dorf back here too. I mean, if you're a millennial onwards, I'm not a millennial. If you're a Gen Xer onwards, then you probably, vans were pretty much the way you got around back then. And I used to fall asleep when we went on trips back in there, and the transmission would keep you warm. In fact, hot if it was cold, so that was really nice. But you got a little shelving system built in here. I mean, you could throw a bed back here. You could pretty much do whatever you like, I guess. Says it comes with extra parts, too. Not sure which ones they are, but wood all over the place in here. Custom finish. You could kind of deck it out any way you want if you wanted to do such things. And, man, it is, I think it's very, very, very cool. Of course, I don't know how to shut it. I think I'll let him do that, so I don't want to hurt the thing. But there you go. The 1962 Ford Econoline van. And I got to say, I kind of want this for the collection. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all my other car videos. Just Google Drivin Ivan and your favorite car. And just, of course, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, as I said. And check out all my disc golf videos. This would be a great disc golf travel car. And documentaries, music videos as well. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.